Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to customize your WooCommerce checkout page. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you've not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started customizing our page. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and open up the WooCommerce option right here at the left side of the screen. This is going to go ahead and enable us to set up our WooCommerce store if you've not already, and if you've already set it up, you can go ahead and manage it from this option right here. So here is going to be where all our options are going to be to manage it, and now we can go and take a look at this article right here, how to customize the WooCommerce checkout page. So basically what we're looking for guys is the option to set any page as our WooCommerce checkout page. So as you can see guys, we can get started. Here we have an instruction on how to get started with checking out which page we want to use. So basically guys, what we are going to be using is using the customize option that we're going to find in the left side of the screen. So by clicking the WooCommerce option I have just showed you right here, it's going to open up a new menu where you can take a look at all the settings that you can access, and then you can go and follow the steps right here to get deeper into customization options. You can use coding options and so on, but basically it's going to be in settings options, where in the setting options is going to look like this, where you'll be able to go ahead and select which option you want to use as your home page. So basically in the settings section, you're going to go ahead and be taking a look at the reading settings right here. So by opening up reading settings, you can select your home page right here, whichever page you want. So select the page you want to use a cash out and a checkout page, and this is what you'll be able to put into WooCommerce as well, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.